Dear friends, let's discuss today about 2017 Karnataka TET paper 2 part 3, that is child development and pedagogy. For child development and pedagogy, you are going to have questions from question number 61 to 90. Let's go through the question number 61. Suma learns lessons quickly, but Leena takes longer time to learn them. It denotes the developmental principle of. As we know, here the Suma and the Leena both are the different persons, so they can have the individual differences. So the correct option for this question will be option number 3, that is individual differences. Not continuity, not general to specific, not interrelationship. Both are the different persons, so they are having individual differences. Now come to question number 62 here. An attempt by the individual to push those experiences and thoughts which are in conflict from conscious to unconscious mind is called. See, this is the definition of the term, that is repression. Repression means an attempt made by the individual just to push the things or the thoughts from conscious mind to unconscious mind. Just remember the definition of the repression and you will come to know about the correct option for this will be option number 2. For question number 63, which of the following is not the characteristics of a group? So as you know, in group we should have to have the unity, right? We should have to perform only one work. So here in the option number 4 they have given that each member of the group are doing different or specific role. So which is not the correct meaning of a group. A group means there should be a unity and there should be a common work for all the members. So option 4 here is incorrect. It means the right answer for question number 63. Now come to question number 64 here. This type of conflict involves two equally attractive choices. So for this question, two equally attractive choices means approach and approach conflict is the correct option for question number 64. Now come to question number 65 here. According to Kohlberg, cognitive process like thinking and reasoning play a major role in this development. As we know, moral development theory was given by the Kohlberg, and wherever you see Kohlberg, the option for that will be moral development, and wherever you see moral development, the option for that will be Kohlberg. So question number 65, option 3 is correct. Now come to question number 66 here. According to Jean Piaget, child develops concepts pertaining to size and shape of the objects during which stage? During the concrete operational stage, as we have learned about this in our first or second semester, right? I'd like to say that question number 65 here is the repeated question, and question number 66 is also the repeated question. You can see these questions in 2014 and 15 Carter papers. Now come to question number 67 here. Social constructivist approach to learning was proponent by. So this is also the repeated question. It was given by whom? It was given by the Vygotsky. So the correct option for question number 67 here is option number 1. As I said, wherever you see moral development, the answer should be Kohlberg. Wherever you see Kohlberg, the answer should be moral development, right? Now come to question number 69 here. Which of the following gives the meaning of validity? So, this is the option number 1. Why? Because if we take the test and the test measure what it has for made, it means that the test is valid. If the test is true, then the test should measure what it has to measure. So option number 1 here is correct. Now come to question number 70 here. The test used to identify the strength and weaknesses of a child. We have studied in our classes that to just measure the strength and weakness of the child, of the student in the class, we make use of the diagnostic test. So here the option 4 is correct. Now come to question number 71 over here. In question number 71 here you are having, if a child with mental age of 6 years is only 4-year-old, we should call him. If one of our student is of 4 year and he is having a more intelligence and IQ level of 6-year student, like, so what we should call him? so we should call him as a gifted child. So correct option for that is option number 3. Now come to question number 72 here. According to Bloom's revised taxonomy, which taxonomy? Bloom's revised taxonomy of objectives, the highest level of cognitive process is, the highest level is given to the creativity or the creation. So the option 3 will be correct here. Now come to question number 73. According to multiple intelligence theory, ability to recognize and classify and varieties of animals and minerals and plants is called. If we are having the natural phenomena, it's a natural phenomena, right? So we differentiate between the animals, we know about the animals, plants, and these all things has came from the nature itself, right? So it is a naturalist intelligence theory. So easily you can mark to this option, right? Now come to question number 74 here. This is the, I'd like to say, this is the repeated question. You can see this question in the earlier papers also. Thematic apperception test measures, the TAT test measures what? The TAT test measures the personality. Remember this term again. Now come to question number 75 here. Personality test of intelligence measure this ability. So in personality test we measures manipulation. This is also the repeated question. It is there in the previous year question paper. So the correct option for personality test of intelligence is manipulation. Now come to question number 76 here. An example for social development, as I said, moral development is Kohlberg and social development will be Vygotsky. But here they are asking an example for social development among adolescents is, as the child become adolescent, as the child goes to the adolescent stage, then he or she will make the formation of groups. So here option number 3 will be correct. Now come to question number 77. Centrally sponsored scheme of integrated education. Just see this term. Integrated education for disabled children aims at providing educational opportunities in. So as we have learned about integrated education and inclusive education, in this we can say that we are aims to provide the education and opportunities of education to the children who are disabled in the common school, or we can say in the regular schools, or we can say in the normal schools. So the correct option for this will be option number 1, that is common school. Come to question number 78 here. Creativity is usually associated with, we can say a child is creative in nature if he is having the divergent thinking. So option 2 will be correct for this question. See the question number 79 here. Successful inclusion requires the following except. For the successful inclusion, there should be capacity building among the students and sensitization among the students, and involvement of the parents is also should be there. But there is no segregation. Segregation means separation. There should not be any separation. So the accepted term here will be segregation. Now come to question number 80 here. Dysgraphia is associated with the difficulty in, as we have discussed, dyslexia is associated with the reading, dyscalculia is associated with the maths, and dysgraphia is related with the writing. Just remember these terms. Dysgraphia is the difficulty in what? In writing. Now come to question number 81 here. The intelligence quotient IQ of a custodial mentally retarded children. The children with the mental retardation having the IQ in the range of 20 and 25. Just remember this range. The IQ level of the mentally retarded children is 20 to 25. Now come to question number 82 here. The sequential order of the stages to be followed in observational learning. In observational learning, we should have to go through, right? So it is the acquisition, retention, performance, and consequences. So these are the sequential order of stages in the observational learning. Just remember this sequence, okay? Now come to question number 83 here. Development of concepts is primarily a part of what? Is a part of, right, mental intelligence, or for the mental intelligence we can say intellectual development is also the correct option. So come to question number 84 here. See the question number 84. When a previous learning makes no differences at all to the learning in a new situation is called what? If you are learning the things, if you have learned the things previously and you are not able to apply those things, means it's of no use, right? So here for this you have to say the correct option is zero transfer of learning, because you have not learned anything. So here zero transfer is the correct option. Question number 85. Highest form of learning according to Gange, the pronunciation of this word is Gange, right? The highest form of learning according to Gange is problem solving. So whenever you see this option in any questions, means try to give more focus to problem solving only. So this will be the correct option for this question also. Now come to question number 86 here. Concept attainment model was proposed by, just remember the name of the man, it was given by the Brunner, as we have learned in our B.Ed courses also. Concept attainment model was given by whom? It was given by the Brunner. Now come to question number 87 here. Retaining and remembering is a part of what? It is a part of memory. It's an easy question. So option 3 here is correct. Now come to question number 88 here. Archimedes ran out shouting Eureka. So this learning implies what? This learning implies that it is a learning by insight. So option 4 will be correct. Come to question number 89 here. Programmed learning instruction is based on. This question is also been repeated in the previous year papers. You can see this question. The programmed learning instruction is related with the only operant conditioning. So option 1 here is correct. See the last question here, question number 90. Which of the following directs the action research to plan his action? So the action will be related to action only. So the correct option here will be option number 2, that is formulation of action hypothesis. So this is for today. Thank you so much. For more videos, like, share and subscribe. Let's meet on the next video.